Hello, everyone. I would like to give you a quick intro of myself. I studied architecture in Germany at the Bauhaus University in Weimar. It's a famous school from the 20s and 30s, developed a lot of new concepts of design in architecture and also in product design. You can see here, that's the picture of Oskar Schlemmer. The Bauhaus, of course, was famous for all the artists who worked in the workshop. After graduating, I worked for an office in Berlin for Hans Kollhoff. He's probably mostly known for his residential building in Amsterdam. He has also done a couple of buildings, of course, in Berlin, like the Potsdamer Platz, some of the larger buildings. He was very much influenced by the Chicago School and became a little bit more conservative in his architectural expression as he got older, I would say. I started to teach at Parsons 10 years ago in 2010. That was my first studio final grid with Dr. Wolfgang Feist, who is the co-founder of the Passivhaus concept. So very exciting. It's a long time ago, but it's a lot of fun to teach at Parsons. And I look forward to continue to teach. I do also a lot of policy work. I co-founded with a couple of colleagues a non-for-profit organization called New York Passivhaus, which makes the Passivhaus concept available for professionals, and we train, educate professionals, and also have an annual conference, which grew quite large last year to over 800 attendees. I founded my own architectural firm in 2006 here in New York City. We are specialized in Passivhaus design. This is a residential single-family building in Mamaroneck that actually was a retrofit of an existing building. And I will show a couple of details of the building in the course. Another Passivhaus building in Scarsdale, Westchester County, is a little bit more conservative because Scarsdale has an somewhat architectural review board, which is a little bit more on the conservative side. We actually had quite a challenge to get even this design through, and it's a very interesting story I could tell if you are interested. I also started to do some building development through a company I formed in 2016 called Green Nouveau. We acquired a small lot in Freeport, Long Island, with a building which was destroyed by Sandy. So we deleted the existing demolished building and built a small Passivhaus on top of it, which uses very, very little energy, and it's very well prepared for the extreme weather condition we all face. And a young family is living there, and it's very happy. So it's just a quick intro. I'm sure we have more time to talk more in detail, and I'm pretty sure we can show more work. So I look forward to see you all, and I hope I can see your work through the portfolio as well, and probably will do that on Tuesday. So stay safe, and I see you guys on Tuesday.